Put some blocks. Put some blocks in the head.
Blocks in the head. He's trying to get it off on purpose now. Good boy. You're balancing the block. Oh, there he goes. You're balancing the block. Good boy. Good boy. What? Oh, there it goes. You did that on purpose.
You did.
You did that on purpose. Can you bounce the block? I feel you trying to get it off there. Bounce the block, bounce the block. Too bad your head isn't a little flatter. Da, da, da.